Very good morning, students. Here is lesson 6, People Who Help. We discussed this chapter and today we are going to do the question answer of this lesson. You can see clearly that I have written only answers here. You will write the question from the book and then you will write the answer. And before writing the question answer, first you will mention the lesson name with the number, and in a proper way you will write, and your handwriting should be very neat and clean. So see what is the first question. First question is here, what do soldiers do? Okay, you will write the question from your book. What do soldiers do? Here is the answer 1. Soldiers guard our country's border and they protect us from enemies. सोल्जर्स जो होते हैं वो हमारे देश के जो बॉर्डर्स होते, कंट्री के जो बॉर्डर होते हैं उसे वो गार्ड करते हैं और उसके साथ साथ वो हमारी रक्षा करते हैं एनिमीज से. ठीक है ना. सोल्जर्स गार्ड आवर कंट्रीज बॉर्डर एंड दे प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम एनिमीज. ओके. Next question is here, what does a farmer grow for us? Question 2 is here, what does a farmer grow for us? Answer second is here, farmers grow food grains, vegetable and fruits for us. Farmers grow food grains, vegetable and fruits for us. Okay. Third question is here, how do teachers help us? Question number 3 is here, how do teachers help us? Teachers impart education to us and they make us disciplined and punctual. Teachers impart education to us and they make us disciplined and punctual. Okay. Question 4 is here, what does a doctor do? What does a doctor do? So answer 4 is here, doctors give medicines and cure a person or animal. Okay. Doctors give medicines and cure a person or animals. डॉक्टर गिव मेडिसिन्स एंड क्योर अ पर्सन और एनिमल. डॉक्टर जो हैं वो मेडिसिन्स देते हैं और किसी सिक जो बीमार होते हैं उसे क्योर करते हैं. डॉक्टर कई तरह के होते हैं, स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं, कुछ बच्चों के डॉक्टर होते हैं और कुछ एनिमल्स के भी होते हैं जिन्हें हम वेटनरी डॉक्टर कहते हैं. सो डॉक्टर्स गिव मेडिसिन्स एंड क्योर अ पर्सन और एनिमल. Question 5th is here, how do policemen help us? So answer 5 is here, policemen maintain law and order. They look after the safety and security of the people and control traffic. Okay. Policemen maintain law and order. They look after the safety and security of the people and control traffic. So here we have done the question answer. In a very neat and clean handwriting you will write these all answers in your copy. First you will write the question from the book, then you will write the answers. Okay. See the fill in the blanks. First, soldiers dash their life for the sake of their motherland. So what we will fill here? Sacrifice. Soldiers sacrifice their lives for the sake of the motherland. Teachers are very caring and compassionate. Here you will write compassionate. Third, doctors are helped by nurses. Okay. Fourth, senior policemen are armed with revolvers. And fifth one, fire engines are filled with water. Okay. Here write sacrifice. Sacrifice this one. Then here is compassionate. COMPASSIONATE. ASSIONATE, compassionate. Okay. Doctors are helped by nurses, NURSES. Senior policemen armed with revolvers, 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 and fire engines are filled with water. Okay. Sacrifice, compassionate, nurses, revolvers, and water. See the true and false. Soldiers also help the people in case of disaster. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. They also help the people in case of disaster. So this one is true. Farmers are not exploited. नहीं, ये गलत है. Farmers are exploited everywhere. So this one is false. Mobile dispensaries are found in mobile phones. No, this one is false. To call police, we need to dial 100. Yes, 100 number police station का होता है. If you need help from them, you can dial 100 and you will get the help by the policeman. Fifth one is here, firefighters extinguish a sudden fire. या कहीं भी आग लगी रहती है तो हम फायर फाइटर्स को ही बुलाते हैं और वो आग को बुझाने का काम करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वन इज ट्रू, सेकेंड वन इज फॉल्स, थर्ड वन इज फॉल्स, फोर्थ वन इज ट्रू, फिफ्थ वन इज ट्रू. नाउ सी हियर, सोल्जर्स, मैच द फॉलोइंग सोल्जर्स, farmers, teacher, veterinary doctor, plumber and carpenter. In this second column, backbone of our country, Guru does woodwork, very difficult life, treats animals and fix water tap. So soldiers, very difficult life. soldiers की जो life होती है वो बहुत difficult होती है. तो you will not, I am telling you that in examination if you are going to do the match the following, don't match by the arrows, just put the number or in front of the question you just write the correct answer. So here is soldier and the option of the soldier, the correct answer of the soldier is very difficult life. You can write 1. Okay. Farmers, backbone of our country. Second, teachers, Guru. In ancient time, teacher would call Guru. Veterinary doctor treats animals. Plumber fix water taps and carpenter does woodwork. ओके ना, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. और अगर ये मैच दी फॉलोइंग का कॉलम ए है, इसके जस्ट सामने आप इसका करेक्ट जैसे कि सोल्जर यहाँ है लिखा है तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, सोल्जर वेरी डिफिकल्ट लाइफ, फार्मर बैकबोन ऑफ आवर कंट्री, टीचर गुरु, वेटनरी डॉक्टर ट्रीट्स एनिमल्स, प्लम्बर फिक्स वाटर टैप्स, कारपेंटर डज वुडवर्क. ऐसे कर सकते हो. ओके ना. वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज लेफ्ट हियर, दिस वन, टेक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Who work in the army? Options are given here. Drivers, farmers, soldiers, none of these. So soldier is your correct option. Just tick on here, soldiers. What is the most important occupation of our country? Engineering, farming, manufacturing, or none of these? No, farming is our most important occupation of our country. Who impart education to us? Teacher, farmer, doctor, and none of these. So teacher impart education to us. A doctor is also called what? Nurse, physician, teacher, none of these. A doctor is also called a physician. So this one is your correct one. So here we have completed the syllabus of first term, and I will request you student, whatever question answer is given till 6th chapter, from lesson 1 to 6, all question answer you have prepared. You have also prepared the exercise question answer, that what you have done in your book, and also you have to keep this in your mind that whatever you are writing, that should be very neat, clean, एंड टीचर कैन ईजिली रीड दैट, बिकॉज आपकी हैंड राइटिंग बहुत गंदी हो चुकी है, आप बहुत ही गलत और रफली लिखते हैं। तो आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से आंसर 1 डाल के उसे प्रॉपरली लिखना है, आंसर 2 डाल के उसे प्रॉपरली लिखना है, ओवर राइटिंग नहीं करनी है। एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट बिफोर यू हैव टू शार्प योर पेंसिल। ओके, आपको ऐसा लिखना है कि आपकी कॉपी अगर किसी के पास जाती है तो उसे ये समझ आ जाए कि बच्चे ने कितने अच्छे से लिखा है और वो उसे सब कुछ पता है। ठीक है ना? सो हियर वी हैव डन